In the beginning, YouTube was just a place for fun, a digital stage for anyone with a camera. People uploaded videos of their cats, vacations, and funny moments. The slogan was broadcast yourself, but as millions of videos poured in, people needed a way to find things. They started typing questions into the search bar, not just for entertainment, but for answers and instructions. YouTube was quietly transforming into a massive library of visual information. Before YouTube, sending a video to a friend was a hassle. Files were too big for email. YouTube made it simple, and the site exploded in popularity. The search bar, once an afterthought, became the most important feature. Unlike Google, which was clean and text-based, YouTube was messy, visual, and human. You wanted to watch someone tie a tie, not just read instructions. Users began treating YouTube like a visual Google, asking it questions and looking for solutions. The questions got more specific, and YouTube often had an answer. It was no longer just a video sharing site, it was becoming the world's second largest search engine. The search bar became the gateway to a new world of knowledge. People realized they could learn almost anything by watching, and that's how YouTube's rise as a search engine began. YouTube launched in 2005, born from the founders' frustration with sharing videos. The first upload, Me at the Zoo, was just 18 seconds. Simple, personal, and unremarkable, but it marked the start of something huge. The site grew at lightning speed, letting anyone broadcast yourself. Within a year, YouTube was a phenomenon, hosting millions of videos and viewers. Viral hits like Lazy Sunday showed its power to shape pop culture, but rapid growth brought massive costs. Storing and streaming video was expensive. The company was burning through cash and needed a partner to survive. Enter Google, already the king of search and online ads. Google saw video as the next big thing and had tried its own service, Google Video, but couldn't compete. In October 2006, just 20 months after launch, Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion in stock. Many thought the price was crazy for a company with no profit. But Google brought more than money. It brought world-class technology and infrastructure. Suddenly, YouTube had the backing of the most powerful search company on the planet. This was more than a financial rescue, it was a technological merger. Google's expertise in organizing information was about to transform YouTube. The broadcast yourself era was evolving. The age of the video search engine was about to begin. With Google's resources, YouTube could handle explosive growth. The partnership set the stage for YouTube's dominance. It was a turning point for both companies. YouTube was no longer just a cultural phenomenon, it was a technological powerhouse. The future of video search had arrived. When Google took over, YouTube search was basic, just titles, descriptions, and tags. It was easy to trick with misleading keywords, making searches frustrating. Google's engineers changed everything by applying their advanced search algorithms. Suddenly, YouTube had a new brain, one that understood user intent, not just keywords. The system analyzed engagement. Did people watch the whole video? Did they like, share, or comment? Videos with high watch time and satisfaction rose to the top. Quality and relevance mattered more than clever titles. Google's machine learning began generating transcripts, letting the search engine listen to videos. Now, your search could match spoken words inside a video. This leap made video content truly searchable. The result, a dramatically better user experience. Searches became more reliable and useful. People started trusting YouTube for information, not just entertainment. The Google brain transplant worked. YouTube's search box became a powerful discovery tool. The platform became smarter, more intuitive, and more like a real search engine. Complex questions could finally get visual answers. YouTube was now a true engine for finding knowledge. As YouTube's search improved, how-to videos exploded in popularity. People realized they could learn almost anything by watching. Why read a manual when you could watch an expert show you? Searches for how-to content soared. YouTube became the world's biggest DIY manual. A new wave of creators emerged, teachers, experts, hobbyists, sharing skills with a global audience. Success came from being clear, helpful, and authentic. Educational content changed YouTube's reputation. It was no longer just for viral videos, it became a serious learning platform. Schools and teachers started using it, and students turned to it for homework help. You could learn a language, understand history, or master software, all for free. The platform democratized knowledge like never before. The more people searched for learning, the more creators made educational content. Google's algorithm promoted videos that delivered clear answers. YouTube became a thriving ecosystem for learning and practical problem solving. With millions of videos uploaded daily, creators faced a new challenge: how to get noticed. Making a great video wasn't enough, you had to make it discoverable. Enter YouTube SEO. Creators learned to think like a search engine. Titles, descriptions, and tags became crucial. Keyword research helped creators match what people were searching for. Thumbnails became just as important. An eye-catching image could mean the difference between a click and a scroll by. Creators designed thumbnails with bright colors, big text, and expressive faces. The combination of a strong title and irresistible thumbnail was key. This focus on optimization created a recognizable YouTube style. Serious creators followed formulas proven to work with both the algorithm and viewers. Analytics became essential. Watch time, retention, and click-through rates guided improvements. Creators constantly adapted, giving the algorithm what it wanted: videos people would click, watch, and engage with. This strategic approach turned passion into careers. The art of being found became as important as the art of creation. Success on YouTube was now a blend of creativity and data. The best creators mastered both. The smartphone changed everything. Suddenly, YouTube was everywhere. People watched videos on the go, searching for answers in real time. Need to fix a pipe in a hardware store? Pull out your phone, search YouTube, and get instant help. Mobile made YouTube a practical, real-world tool. Watching a quick video was often easier than reading an article on a small screen. Then came voice search. People started talking to their devices. "Hey Google, show me how to make lasagna." Voice queries were longer and more conversational, pushing YouTube's algorithm to get smarter. The YouTube app became mobile first, with creators making videos optimized for small screens. Integration with voice assistants made YouTube the default answer for how-to questions. The journey from desktop entertainment to pocket-sized expert was complete. Technology put YouTube's knowledge in everyone's hands. The way we search and learn was transformed. Google and YouTube now power each other. Google's tech made YouTube's search smarter, but YouTube's content makes Google's search richer. Search for a how-to on Google and you'll see YouTube videos right on the first page. For many questions, video is the best answer. This integration keeps users in Google's ecosystem, boosting engagement and ad revenue. YouTube's vast library is a huge asset for Google's core business. For creators, being featured in Google search means massive exposure. That's why SEO matters for both platforms. The feedback loop makes both stronger. Google gets better answers, YouTube gets more traffic. Competing platforms can't match this synergy. The Google YouTube link is a powerful moat. Together they dominate the information hierarchy. YouTube's evolution into a search engine has revolutionized learning worldwide. It's a global classroom, library, and workshop, open to anyone with internet. Barriers to education have fallen. Knowledge is now free and accessible. A student in a remote village can learn from top experts. People use YouTube to improve careers, discover hobbies, and solve daily problems. The visual format makes learning engaging and accessible, especially for those who struggle with text. Complex topics become easier to understand, but not all information is accurate. Media literacy is crucial. Learners must think critically, check sources, and compare videos. YouTube works to promote authoritative sources, but viewers must stay vigilant. Despite challenges, the impact is overwhelmingly positive. Learning is now continuous and woven into daily life. The simple search bar has become a powerful engine for personal growth. The future of search is visual, interactive, and conversational, thanks to YouTube. People expect to see information, not just read it. Video conveys emotion, detail, and context like nothing else. As internet speeds rise and video creation gets easier, video will dominate online experiences. Voice search will become more sophisticated, enabling complex conversations with our devices. AI will help create and summarize content, making search more personal. Imagine asking for a custom video summary compiled from the best YouTube clips. YouTube is at the center of this future as the world's largest video library. Google's AI will blend text, images, and video into seamless answers. The journey from funny clips to the world's second-largest search engine is a story of technology adapting to our need to see, learn, and connect. The YouTube search bar is now a window to a universe of knowledge, one that's only getting smarter and more essential.